Good morning.
Here is our process for the project. Sasha, passing it to you.
A beam bridge is one of the most common forms of bridges. It is basically a horizontal bridge with beams supporting it. It looks something similar to this. When any type of load or weighs the bridge, it automatically transfers to the beams. And since the beams are vertical, it goes under horizontal compression on the top while on the bottom going through horizontal tension. Many of these bridges use materials like steel and concrete, since these materials are long-lasting and are durable during harsh weathers. Now for some history.
The beam bridge is known to be one of the oldest bridges since people back in the day built it with wood or any material they could find. One of them was during the 7th century, built by ancient Romans. The bridge went over Tiber River and was also known as Pons Sublicius, which means bridge made of wood beams. Another really old bridge was built during 484 BC in ancient Greece, which they used fallen trees to get across to the other side. Later in time, beam bridges would be primarily used for castles in Old London, which would rise and lower letting ships come through.
While we were brainstorming, we decided that a beam bridge would be quite simple. Beam bridges are pretty straightforward, so there wasn't room to be too imaginative. The idea for the bridge is for it to look sophisticated and clean with good structure. It was clear that we would need to be consistent with the materials due to our amount of time, but also make sure that there's a good structure so that it can hold a good amount of weight.
During the beginning stages of us planning our blueprint, the total design would have cost $3,700. By using 3 large decks, our bridge was 3 feet long. To hold the decks together, we employed some thinner deck supports by making a frame around the bridge. Our design was simple and should have been constructed with no issues, but that changed as the first day of construction occurred. Some of the significant issues during the first building day were the support decks not lining up with the main decks, leaving us unable to connect the decks. After some revision of our blueprint, our cost for the bridge doubled to $6,400. Using skewers, we made a frame around the bridge using a cross pattern, adding extra support to the bottom of the bridge. To connect the skewers, we used 3D printed gears to hold them together. After using zip ties and screws, our bridge started to come together.
Good morning. Today we are in the middle of our bridge process. It is day 2 of the bridge process. Right now we are setting up our bridge so that we can later put on the zip ties. That's it for today. Thank you.
What do we need to do? What is left? Hello?
To the bottom.
That's it? Well, what is our idea for the bottom?
Our idea is to because there's a hole here, stick it in.
Nice.
I need a hole.
What are the new materials that we have brought for the bottom?
Just some gears and these skewers.
So you guys don't get supporting.
And this is where we realized that we were not allowed to add any supporting underneath the bridge or anything that will touch the floor. In this next clip, we are going to be testing our bridge to see if we need to make any revisions.
Oh, sorry, I'm sorry. We could put it like this so that it straightens and we can attach it. Yeah, we could try that. Yeah. Like we could do like the whole.
The thing is, the problem is that these don't line up with the holes.
Then we can.
Let's drill a hole.
Well, they don't have to be on every single part.
They don't line up at all.
Oh.
Okay, try it.
Why are you recording? Record the bridge. I am recording the bridge, but I didn't record you talking.
I'm gonna switch her back.
I'm scared it's gonna break.
Yeah, you might want to put some stuff. Yeah, we know. No, we can't. We can't put anything in. Oh, something broke. Like that. Let's try your idea of the. Okay, so let's just take a
So if you put this on there and it's very like, oh, it's fluffy and everything, what could you do to
We're gonna
solidify
put
it?
stuff on the sides so that it sticks out straight.
Okay, so you could like put these guys on here. Then you're saying put them on like this,
No, like this over the folds and then like six them out so they won't fall.
like this. That's what you did, didn't you? Because if you go like this, it's just going to bend with it. See how it bends? Okay? And if I put it like this, will it be able to bend? So what you could do is put some of these on the sides and put them on with little elbows. And bolt them on so you like have bolt one here and bolt one here and put a short one in or whatever. And you've got some extra, so like instead of on the side, it would be like that. Oh. That's going to provide a tremendous amount of.
In this clip, we are basically laying out all of our small deck supports to line them up in a specific order and drilling new holes so that they fit the layout of our bridge.
Plus 6. What's 16 plus 6?
22.
Okay, 22 pounds, guys. It's still holding. Go, go, go.
Oh.
Okay, that's 3. Okay. What's 5? So, 22 plus 8, 30. Okay, we got 30. We got 30. Wait, what is that? What is that?
That's just 2. That's just 2. That's just 2. Stop moving the table.
Okay, okay, 32. 32. Okay, 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 okay. 32. Put more. 34. What is this? It's 5. 34. 39.
Oh no!
Wait.
Oh, wait.
39 plus 3 is 42.
42.
Good job.
Well, 42 because of the stick.
Alright, let's
Guys. Wait, let me.
Oh my god.
So a bit of a background check, we last minute used this medium-sized support beam that zip-tied it under our bridge, and we wanted to include it as a revision, but since it was not included in our design, we had to test it a second time in order for it to be fair.
Okay, now we're doing it without the stick, right?
Take 2.
Okay, without the modifications, let's see what it does.
Oh, dang. It's already bending. You can see how it's gonna go. What if we just... Okay.
put a 2-pound weight on it.
Damn. Wow. Okay.
4 pounds.
Okay, wait. 9.
Okay. It's still good though. It's still good.
14. It's a 14 right now.
No, oh yeah, it's 14. It's 14.
Oh my god. You said 9.
What is this?
Gotta put it on the bridge.
Touchy.
Wait, how many is
Sasha, you put it on the rock. You put it on the rock. That does not count.
You saw that video?
Wait, we need to make sure. You can tell me later.
In the end, our bridge held 42 pounds both times. Thank you for watching this video.